Hello everyone. Yeah, happy weekend and how you all doing? You guys know today is weekend, so we are normally every weekend as a trader, if you are trading professionally, you need to do a serious, like a very massive back test, whether you win or you lose. If you lose, you do the back test and know the reason why you lose. If you win, you do the back test and also know the reason why you win. Because when you win and you feel reluctant, is a very bad signal as a forex trader. So let's see. I want to share the just one single trade I caught on Friday last week is Thursday. I caught it on Thursday midnight and then closed it on Friday. So I think that pay is GBPJPY. Yeah, GBPJPY. So this video very fast because you all know that I don't like my video to be very long. Just giving out some few things, that really matters in the forex market. So this GBPJPY, you can see this long sell. I missed this long sell. It's not even that I missed it, but because I was on other JPY, so I don't need to, be in a multiple move. So that's why I left this one. So this move here, when it was dropping on last week, I saw it. Then I say if market break out this zone and break out this zone on 1 hour time frame, that means we are confirming a mini bearish because actually market is still bullish on JPY pairs. Looking at it here without even a trend line, you know that market is bullish, but they just catching few reversal. So when I saw these two break of structure and I am seeing this other block with a very huge fair value guy, I said that well, this is very nice. I think when market break out this zone and when I start seeing markets rejecting from this level, coming back to this zone, I said this zone is likely going to hold. Then, but when I start seeing this very bullish and healthy engulfing candle, I say, wow, market may likely clear out this zone to give us a new high for a continuation. But I say anyway, I really need to catch this move. But catching this move, if you have watched my previous video, you know how to catch move like this. If you are not really sure if a zone will hold, you need to go back and watch my previous video before this one. So now when I saw this bullish engulfing candle, I wanted to doubt myself, but I say anyway, because of this, I need to confirm if I'll take this move on my lower time frame. So markets reaching my point of interest, I said, okay, that's very fine. This is a 1 hour time frame. It's like I said on that video that if you're on 1 hour time frame, you need to go to your lowest time frame to confirm your entry point. And that lowest time frame is, 5 minutes time frame because we don't go below 5 minutes time frame. So when I came to my 5 minutes time frame, I saw this. Hold on. I saw this. Market is already at my point of interest. And you could see what happened here. Because on that my previous video, I explained a lot about taking an immediate entry or taking or confirming if a zone will hold. There is some setup that once we mark out this zone like this, we set our sell limit from these points, our stop loss above, then we catch it to the downside. But because of what candle behavior, what candle was printing, market was printing, we need to come to this lower time frame to confirm our entry point. So now you could see that market even came and clear out our point of interest, liquidating everybody at this level. Now, see what happened. I came here, I saw this. I consider this as a liquidity. And then I saw this. I said, okay, let me know if I can see two break of structure to the upside. to confirm, yeah, this is a very clear liquidity for markets to grab. Then when I saw this breakout, market clearing this mini liquidity, it's okay. Well, that's very nice. Now, for me to go bearish, I need to see markets. Let me, should I do this? Let me shift it, I think, so that it will be more clear. Now, when I saw this formation at this level, I said, okay, I need to see two breakout structure to the downside. First one, second one, or this, before I can confirm that, yeah, market is bearish. So first of all, I saw this first breakout structure. I said, well, that's very nice. Then I mapped out this. Again, I still see this second breakout structure. I say, well, that's very nice. And before this breakout structure, markets wanted to pull up, but if it failed. So I have to consider this as a liquidity for me. And seeing this other block is a very nice. So I just mapped it out, set my sell limit from this point, leaving my stop loss above all these highs. And then what market did? Market just came, tapped me in, then all the way to the downside. Now again, it's not about catching move, but again is know when to exist or know when to take partial to avoid winning and giving it back to the market. So I saw this zone. I said, and you know what? I wanted to take my partial from this point. I realized that from my partial and my take profits, they're very, very close. So I have to take out my partial from this level. And this reward was 1:6 risk reward. So I think I took out 1:4 point something risk reward at this level as partial. Then I left the rest to the final TP. Then when market hit TP, like I said, market is bullish. And I know that this zone will hold because this is a liquidity. And markets, on reaching here, markets gave me something very nice that this zone is likely to hold. So when this move came here, unlike based on candle printing and all that, normally I'm supposed to catch this move immediately. But um this particular day was on Friday, so I don't want to, because I've caught a lot in the market, battery is even low. Because I caught a lot in the market, I said, okay, I still need to see some confirmation. So what happened here is this. Market came here. I said, okay, for that reason, I need to see two breakout structure to the upside. Then if market came back to this, my point of interest, then I'll be going in. But what market did is market broke the first, market gave me first breakout structure. Then the second one failed. When is this second one failed? I consider all this level as a liquidity, this particular level, though I didn't mark it. I was waiting my entry from this level, but as this zone failed and then market came back to this level, my entry point was here. But because this zone fade, like I said, before taking an entry, make sure you see two breakout structure. Then I deleted, I was not interested on taking the move from here because this zone didn't hold. Market may not come and sweep out all this low. Then I was not interested, but I waited till market broke out entirely on this 5 minutes time frame. Then I said, okay, because of this breakout structure, I now push my entry point at this level instead of here because this is a lower time, this is not a higher time frame. So 5 minutes, market may just come here, tap in, then push up. And from here to here, my stop loss is very nice. This is 27 pip stop loss. So along the line, because that day was Friday, so I waited for markets to come here. Market didn't come, then I deleted my order. I said I've gotten a lot this week. Let me get myself prepared for next week. So this particular move, I deleted the order. So let's see how next week will be. So um have a very, very profitable week ahead. So we'll see again maybe next week. And if today is your first time crossing my channel, kindly subscribe, share, and Drop your any question on the comment section. I'll definitely give you a reply. Have a nice day.